Hey everyone, this is Scott again with Kentucky Dent Guy. Today I'm working in Middletown, Kentucky within Louisville, doing some Middletown paintless dent repair on this 2010 Ford F-150 Lariat. It's got a large dent, a minor collision dent on the front passenger door that I'll be repairing today. So let's take a look at this truck. From this distance you can really see that dent in the reflection in that front door. Let's get a little closer. And you can see this is a two-tone truck, so being able to do paintless dent repair on this is great because body shop would have had to paint nearly the entire side of this truck trying to get the color to match. You can see this dent is over 12 inches, goes up into this area, which is going to be the toughest part to get perfect. We'll be working really hard to do that today. And I'm going to be removing this door off the truck to be able to work it from all angles to get it back to perfect. So I've got this F-150 door off now. You can really see this dent here. So you can see here, I'm actually knocking the high spots down, or the crowns. I'm lifting or pushing these body lines back out with specialized tools. I'm using a hammer here to do the same thing, knocking down large waves or crowns. At the same time I'm lifting, doing kind of a combination there. It's all trying to get everything back to factory. So I'm all finished with this F-150 door. Take a look at it in the reflections. It's completely gone, back to new. This ended up being a little bit tougher than what I first thought because of all those body lines in the middle there. They all got smashed in. And so that's where most of the time went. Also in this concave area, that was a little tougher. But as you can see from the reflection, it's back to new. Put the light on it. Looks good. Let's get this door back on. So I've got the door back on the F-150. It looks awesome. Back to factory with no painting. That was a lot tougher job than what I first thought it was going to be because those body lines were crushed in. And there's 5 total body lines there that had to be worked out. So that's where all the time was in the repair. So my customer is extremely happy with how his F-150 turned out. It looks new again with no painting, and I was able to finish it in one day for him. We're a mobile company, so we can come to you to take care of your dents, dings, creases, large dents, hail damage, you name it. If it can be repaired with paintless dent repair, we have the experience to do it. We'd love to help you, and we'd love to hear from you. If you've just got questions about paintless dent repair, give us a call at 502-693-6882. You can find us on the internet at kydentguy.com. Thanks so much for watching.